Welcome to Buildville, where we build dreams together.
Let's get to work and have some fun. We're gonna build something amazing here.
I can't wait to start. Hey, friends! Come join me! Let's get the playground ready for fun.
We're ready to help.
I'm digging carefully to show you how an excavator works. Let's learn together.
Ellen is digging the foundation.
Tommy is hauling sand to the spot. Benny is pushing the dirt away.
Cody is lifting the parts into place.
Great teamwork, everyone! Look at all the sand I'm bringing! Great job, Tommy! You're the best dump truck ever! Let's get this soil moving for our playground. I'm here to help create a fun space for everyone. All set, ready for the next task. Hello, friends! Let's get this dirt moved. Hey, we're almost done with the playground.
Just a few last touches left.
This is going to be the best playground ever.